MCM has been established by the unique German craftsmanship that started in the 17th century. In 1976, MCM was born in the artistic city of Munich, Germany. A city where the medieval and the modern cultures coexist. It was a period in Munich's history where the greatest artists of the time in the fields of art, movie, music, architecture, and fashion came together. Since its birth from the convergence of German craftsmanship and artistic fashion of the 60s and 70s, MCM has been loved by people all over the world. German craftsmanship is evident in the complete production process, from the selection of the highest quality of materials to the sewing of the last thread. MCM workmanship is sophisticated and delicate, a unique value that cannot be matched by any other luxury brand. The lifestyle products developed by MCM for global travel were truly beautiful and luxurious and gained the legendary trust of the royal families and celebrities. MCM transcends the ages and has a special vision of eternity that possess the styles of tradition, present, and tomorrow. With this vision, MCM opened 140 stores all over the world by the 1990s. In 2006, MCM opened flagship stores in Berlin, Athens, London. In 2008, MCM partnered with Saks Fifth Avenue in New York, the Mecca of world fashion. MCM established itself as a luxury brand that led the trends of world fashion. Currently, MCM is a global luxury fashion house with 200 stores in 35 different countries, including Beijing, Shanghai, Hong Kong, etc., and is loved by people all over the world. MCM travels with the icons of the ages. Fashionista who set the trend. The beloved celebrities of the time and the loyal families. From the value of luxury realized through the fingertips of German craftsmanship to the invaluable moments in our lives, and the technologies of leading the future. MCM.